doing?
Chef BG, what's your secret recipe?
Love.
Love it is. This steak will be made with love.
Yes, it will. Let's put a little.
Dang, so professional.
Yes. Please leave.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
He just said this.
What's that? I sent him that. This is for breakfast. Fully made steak and supposed to be eggs, but now it's potatoes. It's ran out of eggs.
What?
Hi, we're at Naperville. Riverwalk.
Woohoo!
That's about it. We are gonna go do the boat tour.
Get a picture of me, Scoop.
Oh wow, look at that.
We're just in the background.
Oh.
You go that way?
Yeah, let's go that way.
What are you doing?
Let's go to the tower. You might have to carry me if I can't make it. Okay? We're getting high.
Going up the tower.
I can't breathe. I'm gonna die. Oh, there's an elevator.
No.
Wow. We're almost at the top.
Little Skewy is out of breath.
I am.
Run the rest of the way.
Of the bells.
Hit the bells. That
I'm
is
so out of
cute.
shape.
Run. Back camp. Go, go. She's such a killer. Isa realizes she has more to go. She's dying. She is dying.
We made it to the top. It's just gorgeous.
Get a picture.
Hold on. I'm taking a video of you. And I'm out of breath. I am. We are gonna go boating. Kayak. We are doing a kayak. What do you call it? Woo! Holy crap. He's so pumped. Look at that. And I'm pedaling. He's pedaling, he's steering.
You're not doing much work over there.
Jeez. He's a tough captain.
Let's do it to the side.
Oh. Let's go over there.
Okay.
Too bad there's no ducks around. I want to pester them.
That's pretty cool.
This is nice. Let me get all that. I'm like scared that I might my phone might fall.
Yeah.
Or the water.
Careful with that thing. Not even a glass screen would cover that.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad.
Uh-oh, we're heading towards family.
Do you wanna like go
We're
over
cruising.
there? Yeah, we are.
I want to go underneath the...
The bridge?
Not underneath it, but...
I mean like beside it. Let's do it. This is pretty fun. I'm glad we get to try this before they
I've never done this before.
Me too.
Pretty sweet.
Oh, you better know how you're doing, Mr. Captain.
You're in good hands. Mr. Captain. I'm Mr. Captain.
Cute captain. Not bad. No está mal. Oh. Should we like park it there and then like say hi to people? Oh,
Let's go do the perimeter.
Let's go fast. Really fast. Oh, it can actually just, I think this is the speed limit.
Yeah, like it doesn't.
Like it doesn't go very fast.
Even if you go faster.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, the pavilion.
Hey, look, it goes faster when
Is
you
there
go
a
slow.
duck over there? Is that a duck?
You don't have to, we have to be careful. You don't want to capsize. Hit a glacier.
Be careful. I don't want to be like Titanic. What is that thing?
I don't know.
Honestly.
It's the glacier.
It's a it's a tiny
I
glacier.
feel like you go faster when you pedal slower.
Oh really?
I don't know. I just feel that way almost.
Probably. Yeah, it is kind of fast. Oh, are we going to bump into those people? Oh, it's a little rock. It's fine. Mr. Cap over there.
I know.
Look at that. Oh, dang. You're so snappy.
Yeah, you gotta go like this. It's good.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Let me try that.
Oh yeah, let me get you.
Oh.
Salute your captain. That was a piss poor job, sailor.
But that's with a bow.
You're taking some long video here, Steve.
Yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna go stop this now. Going back. Gonna do the river walk now. Oh.
That's why like little garden snakes. That stuff is crazy. When I'm running, like the little guys, they like.
Yeah, they're scary. They don't bite, right?
No, I don't.
Look at that. The duck is so pretty. It's blue and wow. I know, but I just want my aunt to like watch this video and
You're gonna edit it and
enjoy
make it for her?
Yeah.
Do you want to get something to eat?
Yes.
Go to the sushi house.
Oh, that's a good idea. Alright, show your skills.
Mabuhay! Not bad, right?
Oh, how is it? Good?
Amazing.
So we got that. I don't know what that is. And then we got lumpia.
Ooh,
Is
so
it good?
yeah.
Oh my
So
gosh,
good.
I can't wait.
Alright.
Alright.